Fauna. Hurry before everything breaks. Look, I'm in enhanced 3D. Wait, don't look there. Somewhat. So you know what? We take the. I can't even do caramel. I'm getting too excited. Bucket. We ball. Beep beep. Boop boop boop. Call me, beep me if you wanna reach me. If you wanna page me, it's okay. As long as you do. I don't know, Kim Possible. I know that you might get destroyed by Her Excellency's bowling skills. But everyone will play bowling with me. Can we have a twirl? Huh? Almost fell. Moe, cute. I feel so powerful with this 3D. I'm unstoppable. Teehee. Sapling dance. Back it up. Beep, beep. Sorry. No. This is the one game I'm good at in this pack. A split conversion. That's extra points for me. Actually, you need to get only stripes because it gives you a bonus multiplier. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh! C minus! C minus! That's me! You're C minus kirin. Below average! Is that green? Green! I have to get it! Wait, we just have to play Nintendo Switch Sports for the next forever. Serving wins victory. I'm motivated now. I need that green hair. I need it. Bien. A nice spin. Oh, no. Green. Oh. Back it up. Beep, beep. You're so boop. That's what I call fauna sweep. I swear I do sweep. How do I sweep though? Do I do maybe more like this? They just don't have people of my skill level playing right now, I suppose. Caliber of a bowler online right now, is there? Oh no. Did I please? I can't be out of batteries so soon! I can't be out of batteries like this! Oh no! The pose! May I present to you Switch Sports Bowling? Oh my goodness. I told you, get in while you can. We must get green. I'm sure we'll get green eventually. What is this pose? Why did I freeze in this pose? What's the weather looking like this week? Sunny, baby. Sunny with a light breeze. Okay, thank you guys for watching a short scuffed stream. Wait, what's